Hello, for the first problem, so in the frame table, destination MAC is 0B, source MAC is 0A, and in the MAC table, there's only 0B in the FA3, and source MAC is unknown. So where will the switch forward the frame for the first question? We will forward in FA3, and so for the second question, with the switch forwards the frame which states also. So since the source MAC is not known in the MAC table, it will add the source MAC address. It will switch up, and since there is destination in the MAC table, the frame is a unicast frame and will be sent specific to a port only. Okay, for the next problem, destination MAC is 0F, source MAC is 0B. So since let's look for the 04 data sa MAC table, and since there's no 0F in the MAC table, it, it just only means na it will flood the switch forward sa pagpupuntahan. So it means na lahat is sentence. So that it can so para makarating yung information papunta sa destination na yun. Okay. So this means na ito, frame is a unicast frame. It will be flooded to all ports, and since the source and it will switch adds the source MAC address, which is currently not in the MAC address table. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Okay, third question. Third problem. Destination MAC FF, source MAC OF. Hmm. I think this is a broadcast frame. Since malipat siya sa mapupunta sa all ports. So yeah, broadcast. So it will flood the ports. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.